Okay, with the same details, let's answer question number 117. It reads, which of the following statement is correct? Okay, let's understand. It reads, the wage gap of Goa and Kerala state is less than Tamil Nadu. Okay, something, okay, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, we have it in this, okay, paragraph. Please see, we know this one in 2020-21, okay, of course, okay, nothing, fine. In the year 2020-21, the Tamil Nadu state has the highest gender wage gap. Okay, Tamil Nadu state here has got a value highest for the gender wage gap here. Look at this one, the wage gap. Okay, of Goa and Kerala is less than that of Tamil Nadu here. Tamil Nadu has got a highest value here. Okay, next other states are going to come here. Definitely for Goa and Kerala here, it should be less than that of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then so hence we can tell this one, the statement is true here. Okay, next one. It reads, the wage gap of Tamil Nadu is greater than that of Jharkhand and Gujarat. Okay, now from this detail, we know this one. Okay, the wage gap is the lowest actually for Jharkhand and Gujarat here. Okay, highest is for Tamil Nadu, lowest is for Jharkhand and Gujarat. So hence the wage gap of Tamil Nadu is greater than these two lowest values here. Definitely also this also is here. So hence we can tell both both the statements A and B are true. So hence we can tell option C is the answer.